Good morning, student. Today my topic is a test and measurement. In test and measurement, the second topic is the measurement of the muscular strength. What is the muscular strength? Muscular strength is one of the important component of physical fitness. Muscular strength is the extent of force the muscles or a group of muscles can exert against resistance for short duration as in anaerobic activities. Muscular strength is the essential for performing daily routine work easily and smoothing, such as lifting weight, climbing stair, etc. It is also essential for maintaining good posture, avoiding injury, and remaining independent, especially in old age. It can be measured with the help of Corus-Wapper test. Okay. Corus-Wapper test. Corus-Wapper test maintaining the muscular strength. For how do the Corus-Wapper test for muscular strength? Corus-Wapper test. This test was developed by Dr. Corus and Dr. S. Weber. This test help in checking or testing the minimum muscular strength required by a fit person. In fact, this test measures the level of strength and flexibility of certain key muscles or muscles group, below which the functioning of whole body as a healthy individual seems to be endangered. Thus, Corus-Wapper test is the mean to test minimum general fitness required by an individual by testing the strength and flexibility of big muscles and joints. Initially, this test was designed to check the problem of lower back and upper back, but the test result verb, also good for common people. Okay. This test is easy to administrator. Moreover, the scoring helps to know the strength ability of individuals. Here measures consist of the 6 tests in the chorus wrapper. All these tests are commonly categories under the chorus wrapper test. These tests are supposed to measure the minimum muscular fitness of an individual. In fact, they measure the level of strength and flexibility of certain key muscles group below with the functionings of the whole body of a healthy individual seems to be endangered. These tests are graded on a pass-fail basis, but partial movements on each test can be scored in a scale from 0 to 10. Okay. Purpose. What is the purpose of the chorus wrapper test? To check the minimum muscle strength required for the person, student, players. After the administration of the chorus wrapper test, the administration of these tests are described below according to the book. Test number 1. In this test, the student lay in a supine position flat on his back on hand, behind his neck. This examiner hold the subject fit to keep him on the ground. The subject is asked to perform one sit-up. If he performs one sit-up, his passes this test. This is first test. If he perform one sit-up, he passes this test. If he cannot raise his shoulder from the table or ground, his score remains 0. Test number first. Test number second. Test number second. In these positions, this laying position on the subject for the test remain same supine positions except that his knees are bent and ankle remain in touch with his buttock. Okay. He is asked to perform one sit-up. If he is able to perform full sit-up, he passes the test. If he is unable to raise his shoulder from the table on the ground. He scored a 0 to 10. Test number 3. This is a test number 3. The student lay on the supine positions, lie flat on his back, his hand behind the neck. He is asked to raise his feet to 10 inches on the ground, from the ground. His knee should be a strength. The examiner count till 10 seconds. The subject passes this test if he holds that position for 10 seconds. Scoring from 0 to 10 depend on the number of seconds the subject hold the appropriate position. Okay. Number 4. Test number 4. The student lay on the prone positions on his stomach with a pillow under his lower abdomen side and his hand behind the neck. The examiner hold his feet down. The subject is asked to raise his chest, head and shoulder while the examiner count till 10 seconds. He passes this test if he is able to hold the exact position up to the 10 seconds. Scoring from 0 to 10 depend on the number of seconds the subject hold on the exact positions. Test number 5. Here test number 5, the second last test. The subject positions remain the same, but the examiner hold his chest down. The subject is asked to raise his feet, knees should be straight. The examiner count till to 10 seconds. Scoring from 0 to 10 depend on the number of seconds the subject hold the positions. Okay. These are 5, test number 5. In test number 5, after that test number 6. Test number 6. He is also known as the floor touch test. It measures the flexibility on the trunk. The subject stand erect, barefoot, hand at the side and feet together. He is asked to lean down slowly to touch the floor with the fingertips for 3 seconds. In the test, bouncing, jerking is not allowed. The examiner hold the subject knees in order to prevent any bend in case of occurs. Scoring from 0 to 10 depend on the number of seconds the number hold the positions. These tests were applied on school children of USA and Europe countries. The result of these tests revealed that 57.9% of USA children and 8 to 7% children of European countries failed in one or more of the tests after that specific stress was laid on school. Okay. Evaluation of test. Chorus upper test. A physically fit student can easily clear all 6 tests. Failure in one or more tests indicated lack of physical fitness. A student who is not able to do all test items successfully may come across health problem in the failure. Chorus upper test appeared to the simple, but practically it puts get straight on some muscles. The student must perform warming up before doing this test. Okay student, today my topic is the chorus upper and muscular strength test. Is it completed? So related sim questions are given by you. What is the chorus upper test? What do you mean by the muscular strength? Measurement of test and measurement. Discuss 3 tests of chorus upper test. What do you mean? The test and measurement is very important. Briefly explain about muscular strength. Briefly explain about skin fold measurement. So some questions are related for these topics. So will come in exam and unit test. But I will again the revision. The test and measurement. Test and measurement definitions. What is a test? And what is a measurement? Once again revision the last day topics, the test. What is it? Tests are used to collect information or data about the specific skills, strength, endurance, knowledge, behavior, attitude, etc. In fact, tests refer to any specific instrument of physical fitness, procedure or technique used by the administrator to elicit results from the person who take the test. There are the various types of the test. Johnson basketball test, Harvard Youth Fitness Test, Chorus upper test, Harvard test, sit and wrist test, Ricky and joint test, etc. These are tests. And measurement. What is a measurement? Measurement are related to physical measurement such as the size, height, weight, vital capacity. Vital capacity related of the lungs, the walking systems for running, and level of the take breath, inhale and exhale. The capacity of the vitals, achievements and etc. Indeed, measurement refer to the process of Process of administrating a test to obtain a quantitative data. It can also be said the measurement at the process, evaluations process, in which various tools and technique are used in collection of data to test and measurement the effect of teaching or coaching can be determined, the progress can be known, and the future planning can be made. Okay, students, these are test and measurement, and my second topic is completed, muscular strength and chorus vapor test. And first topic is the test and measurement, introduction, fat percentage calculations. So thank you very much and best of luck.